Okay, so we know all of our electronic devices will someday end up in landfills. And at this point, they're called electronic waste. But this specific kind of waste contain large amounts of precious metal, especially gold. Because every year, more than 300 tons of gold are used in making some special parts of electronics like CPUs and printed circuit boards. But the question is how we can recycle this precious metal from these waste. Because gold is one of the most resistant elements in nature and very harsh conditions are needed to dissolve and recycle it. Unfortunately, due to the lack of a suitable technology, less than 20% of gold is recycled and the other 80% just stay in landfills. Basically, there are two different kinds of technologies for this purpose. Pyrometallurgy, in which you have to use very high temperatures to burn everything up, or you have to use extremely strong acids to dissolve and recycle gold. Both of these techniques are definitely harmful for the environment because they release very toxic gases and generate huge amounts of toxic waste. They are non-selective, time-consuming, and expensive at the same time. So during my PhD project, we have been looking for more suitable and cleaner ways to extract gold from both primary and secondary sources. And I'm glad to let you know we have developed a new technique in our lab which can easily and selectively recycle gold from the electronic scraps in the fastest rate ever recorded. So actually we are using concentrated vinegar as the main compound, and we just need to add tiny amounts of another acid and oxidant to finish our recipe. It's a kind of magic solution. As you can see in the slide, you just need to dip your electronic scrap in the solution and leave it there for just 10 seconds. After that, more than 99% of gold will be extracted into the solution, leaving all of the other metals intact. So it's a new record in the chemistry of gold extraction, and just to compare to the current extraction methods, the applied conditions here are 100 times milder, and the amount of generated waste will be 200 times less. And even the total cost will be 10 to 20 times cheaper. So this new technology has got the attraction of science media in the last 2 months, and it's been highlighted in 75 science journals and newspapers in more than 25 countries. And we hope this new technique can solve one of the gold recycling industry's problem and encourage all of the recyclers in different countries to recycle the other 80% of gold sitting in landfills as well in a much cheaper and cleaner way. Thank you so much.